Ukrul Zangda India with District Shakani Hang Madina Matili mock drill operations Apias Quickahira. Palkam tackling Hankaka operations in Dur Hapokhaira, Magap Kagali regional Tratihaira. Lake Tor, Tangkhul Express Pvt Pau Ringyaophi Ningshen in the Palmitale. Pau being Maisaina and Angurumse. Jammu and Kashmir with Balkam a military attack, shock a highway chili Indian shokar and a hand guiding a soda emergency wuivang, Kangaransa that nationwide mock drill rung mihaira. Mock drill ji Ukrul Zang the India with District Shakani Hang Madida Madili Saya. Ukrul District Administrations the Makokami mock drill ji, Ukrul District with Dialos being Assam Rifles with Shipai being Assam Rifles with Dr. St. Joseph College, Berikru College, Ukrul Higher Secondary School, Katamna Pingala, NCC Eina, NSS Ping, Vazanga. Mock drill ji Katamna Kala volunteers sang the security force na Sajitayan. Ukrul Additional SP Ringting Hongchui na air raid Kasataran Katada Yam Shopra. Ngayashong air raid Kharataran Kimamay Sara Lang Shunchong Kharataran Katadang Narandra School Atam li Kharataran Jishut Mapping na Kia Boina Gatam Now Bingli Train Sarakala Kama Gazitharan Sod Now Gatam Now Gala Kernausen Bingli Katada Gun Kavai Sara Kala Gaji Maram Hanjitay Air raid Bomb Ragazang Taran Sod Now Bing Kama Gazili Katadas PCR Mira Gaji Maram Assam Rifles with Dr. Nala Hanjitay Pom Tada Shimme Hitharan Katada May Shimit Kavai Sara Kajiwi Maram Li Fire Service Miping na Hangjitaya. Itum Natay by Civil Defense Mock Drill Kasahi Rujumno Bingala Government Agencies Bing Emergencies Wuivang Kangran Katada Leilikala Tapui Kavai Nang Soda Chikata Emergency Wuivang Kangran Kasa Mirin Gun Kavai Wuivang Rum Kamina. Kaying direct Magadakani than Rujumno Magadatruk Sadat Gahai Bahalgam Terror or Chodling Hangaga Indian Armed Force na Operation Sindur Habokhaira. Pakistan Gala Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir Khalei terrorist infrastructure Lirinda Indian Armed Force na their targets Chikoli airstrike siren. Strike Asaji direct Shining a Torpung Aka minute Panga Shikali How Pokta minute Magada Panga Shikasayaji. Operation Sintur Jabalgam there attack with victim Gala Shimkur Wuivang Mashun Wuivang na the wing commander Vyomika Singala Colonial Sofia Curashina Press Kazibli Hanga Indiana Narinlak Ina Raga Haina Ka Pakistan na Sapapa Ka Indian Armed Force na Nghanga Kavai Ngaranping Haira the wing commander Jin Hanga Indiana Sada Khalei Rin Kazakta Kasana Hensang Ngasa Kavai na Kasamaning Manadahanga Pakistani military facilities li Marine Manadahanga India will also Rai Kasana da Pakistan na Hanghaira Ngilak Ina Nghanka Kavai Mashun Layada Pakistan na Hanghaira Rakra state level Shiri Lili Panitili Sheikh Kud Mashok Kavai Tangkhul Nakalongna Hangkamatin Shokhaira Aji with Derek Magaina How Pokta Magada Madina Dangda Mayongi Gaji Kapanga state level Shiri Lili Paniti Tangkhul Naka community wing a Shankala core values Ningli Haida Kamataina Mayongi Gajina the long regina Kapishoka Panit Adam Hili Yarikung Kava Sheikut Kapai Maning Gajang Otsak Masa Kavai DNL na Hanghaira Yarili Kahab Sheikut Akala Mamayamarada Tangkhul Nakalong na Hangmatin Haira Shongfu accident Kushok Wuivang Shokarna cashless treatment schemes Jishatairan schemes Juya Zingli Mi Akana Lubalak Akatang Kayakha Sampang Baira Ministry of Road Transport and Highways we Gazette notification at issued the schemes Jiajuwi Tarik Pangatangina Zatna Pokra Kari Wina Kushok Shongfu accidents li Sagazi victims li cashless treatment Pimbaira Dahanga Program Wuivang National Health Authority NHN implementing agency sada Police Hospital Kala State Health Agencies Pingling Shikda Yangsang Mira Hangda Kalahi India with Shongfu Gajida Kala designated Arishang Gajida Parra Victims Akale Chungmai Twitter Lubalak Akatang Kahi accidents Juena Atam Sangmai Twitter Shnitangwa Lungli Mipaira Dahanga Cashless Treatment of Road Accident Victims Scheme 2025 Zingli Designated Hospitals Makaningli Kangahaji stabilizations propose wuivang mang sapaira kalachi schemes chui guidelines atishuda rara dahanga. Stately implement Sakhavai State Road Safety Council na nodal agency sada National Health Authority li coordinate sara schemes wuivang Central Sarkar na steering committee semra dalei. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phalana Border District Chandel Livada Law and Order Review Sahira. Administrative kala regasang otpanga khava makhava access Sahira. Governor na Chandel Khawachili District Headquarters li Semgahai District Library kala Information Technology Centers tharkat kami haira. Governor Phalana Thanda DC Office Conference Hall li kazib kabamli Chandel li khuikaka centrally sponsored schemes bikashokazang yang sanghaira. Deputy Commissioners L. Nandakumar Singhal District Level Officers bina welfare programs kashokazang hangjithayam. Superintendent of Police Papidarani Swain na security measures kala law and order high kavai paikar kakhui maram hangjithayam. Sarkar na kami schemes bingji yarili mapung phada washung asak kavai Governor China hanghaira. Governor Phalana civil society organizations we mingnin pingnila sampanga. Tanamanjuri University Imphal with State Public Information Officers SPIO wetungli Manipur Information Commissions na lupa thingjuko shapanga fine par haira. Lupa kongkhang sakchi right to information RTIX thaka sangli atam chada manghan ka khami wuivang na. RTIG appellant Sorot Khaibam Huhendaro Singh na thaka sangna. Commissions China 2024 we appeal case number 86 namida hearings kala jijikhami mihailala SPIO China kan khana documents ma mishok to wachi documents ji departmental promotion committee TPC proceedings we annexures 1 and 2 maramna kala chi office assistant kapangkasang maramli RTI application 2024 pay direct through thang thagasang na chi advocate W Joy Kumar na nganing mida appellant nakahang information sipaida mamitua SPIO advocate dining irom nakahang documents kaika vigilance department na khuihawa mavakapei annexures shi nauda kacha achakum marun tarik magada madithang samphang nawada nghan kai RTI we nghan ka mirand manghan ka khami kala kapit in explanations mikhavai jizi khami magashu wuivang find kaparnachi information spader kamili zimik sho thumrada jishat delay sami hawa chuwang thang thang lupa shakhani hang phanga we fine parda saikorung rum laka lupa thingjuko sha phanga hi kongra da tami hairam penalty g SPIO developli katatra university ji we drawing and dispersing officers na katatlaga designated government account li sangmira da hangam maram hi achu direct thada chiko thang wangana luira Indian Operations Center Hapo Highway Chili Home Minister Amei Nathum high-level gazip pamhaira. Gazip ji online rungda Pakistan kala Nepali leirat kasa pingwe Chief Ministers, Chief Secretaries kala Directors General of Police ping zangam. Video conference Chili Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim kala West Bengal with state kathana ping zangam. Ladakh Lieutenant Governor Lazangachi. Kazibchi Madailagay na Pakistani na line of control LOC kala International Porterly Nome Kap Kakali Rujumnao Pingli Karin Wimaramli Kapam na dahangam. Border areas li khalei Rujumnao Ping Chili safe sakamay pamni wuivang ngasan haira dahangam. India na Pakistan kala Pakistan occupied Kashmir li strike saka hai tili Pakistan na aya Punch sector Jammu and Kashmir shong Kap Kayachi. UNI Pao Tishuda Shinau Akka, now Shinau Kani Zangda Rujum now Trati Haira. Hang Madida Panga Sazahaira, Shudi Kwida Khalei Personal Saikoro, Hong Kavai Home Minister na Central Armed Police Force Saikorali Zizami Haira. Shana Internal Security Week Shoka Zang Yangda, Masharlak Ina Pam Kavai, La Kamataya Pam Pingli, Surveillance Marme Kavai, Top Security Officials Pingli Zizami Haira Kaji Pao Sampanga. Aray tumna advertisement aka nanasa. Ukruli Khalei St. Joseph College, li 2025 to 26 academic session with admission hapokaira. College Chili Bachelor of Arts, BA Honors, English, History, Political Science, Sociology, Education, Economics. Bachelor of Science, BSc Honors, Physics, Chemistry, Botany, Zoology da program ngata taitali. Bachelor of Social Works program lalei. St. Joseph College Ukhrul na khami bachelor's degree course chi Manipur University li affiliate kasana. Itum na thai by 2015 gum tharkat ka St. Joseph College hi Ukhrul district with Khalei Catholic College ngasai. Singkum chiko zadra ka hai longli college chi wi kadam now chishat kada Manipur University rank holders sampangairam. St. Joseph College Ukhrul dam khawai admission forms college office li sampangra hiwi maram 9862309173 maningakha 8131974175 lila ngahan va paira. Email address kala website screen azingli yamkhui paira. Solution Center Ria tang Ukhrul na SS Career Solutions ling shikta Ukhrul headquarters li career counseling mokhok mikidele. Tangkhul wuivang mokhok miki kaji counseling programs chi rakhara tarik thratang DDA Smart Training Halls hamle khongli rungmiram. Atam na ngushun pung akamakai ang ranangi jili career counselors as Silomi Devi na expert speaker sata zangra. Mokhok mena mikashokati shuda SS Career Solutions hi ariri Manipur wialungli career counseling li mga balagay na leite khalei center akhana. Ang ranangi jili matailagay na class 12 results shokhailaga pam de khalei pingli rajang sagngayam. Ava na ngasokhara phamiliram. Kangadega the now pingila welcome saya subject area saikorali cover samiran. Ayarli MBBS shokdom kangai kayakha atum wuivang la kanalagra dahanga. Program ko kahai tili counselors pingli sampangkavai atamiram. Ayarli college shokdom kangai wuivang la ngachon mi paira da makhok men hanga. Career counseling hiwi maramdi ngahan kangai pingna 8794499644 maningakha 6009123 de contact sapaira. Latluida achiwi khamadaya pauping. Ukhrul zangda India with district Shakani hang madida matili mock drill operations apias kwikaira. Palkam na tackling han kaka operations indoor hapokhaira ngakap kakali regional thrati haira. Achiwi pau hiling achang haira pau ngona da kleina thum saikorali ringyaophi kala khamhai zimik shong saserani.